Hey everyone! More and more individuals are becoming interested in cryptocurrencies these days. From financial institutions to everyday investors, you'll need a crypto exchange account to buy and sell digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin to get it on the fun. So, here I am to take you through this new video of Simplilearn on top crypto trading platforms in 2022 to assist you in selecting the best platforms for your needs. We have looked through the most popular platforms to find the finest crypto trading platforms available right now. So let's get started with the video. But before moving ahead, please to hit the like button and click the subscribe button for more interesting updates from Simplilearn. So let's have a look at the top crypto trading platform in 2022. But before diving right into the list, let's have a quick and crisp understanding of what crypto trading actually means. So, taking a financial on the price direction of individual cryptocurrencies against the dollar or against any other cryptocurrency is what crypto trading is all about. CFDs or contract for difference are a popular way of trading cryptocurrencies because they offer more flexibility, leverage, and the ability to trade both long and short positions. Also, it's essential to consider things like supported assets, fees, payment methods, and security when considering a cryptocurrency trading platform. So, we have also considered these factors to give you a better idea of which platform will be the best for you. So, now that we have a basic idea of what crypto trading is, let's dive into the list of top crypto trading platforms for 2022. The first platform in the list is Coinbase. For many first time cryptocurrency buyers, Coinbase has become the go to exchange. The platform has the appearance and feel of an online banking tool, which the majority of consumers are already familiar with, making the transfer to crypto investing simple. Coinbase is the finest cryptocurrency exchange overall, as well as the best cryptocurrency exchange for beginners. It supports a huge variety of cryptocurrencies and provide a high level of security. It's also a wonderful alternative for expert traders because it offers an advanced trading platform, Coinbase Pro, in addition to being a beginner friendly platform. So let's have a look at the account prerequisites for Coinbase. It supports more than 150 plus cryptos for trading with the transaction fee ranging between 0% to 0.60%. Also, the minimum deposit or purchase price should be at least $2. Now, let's have a look at its pros and cons. Coinbase offers a large volume of cryptocurrencies to trade for. It provides smooth experience to beginners as well as offer easy trading to advanced members of it. It also provides liquidity and ease on its platform. Now cons. The customer service provided by them is not up to the mark, as well as Coinbase.com is an institutional account, which means you don't have access to your private keys. Moving on, next we have is Crypto.com. Crypto.com offers a diverse digital asset ecosystem that includes its own blockchain, the Crypto.org, a native token known as CRO, a crypto Visa card, yield generating crypto products, and more. It was chosen as the top mobile crypto exchange application because it offers a comprehensive digital asset trading and investing environment that you can access from your smartphone. Now, let's have a look at the account prerequisites for Crypto.com. It supports more than 250 plus cryptos for trading with a transaction fee ranging between 0.04% to 0.40%. Also, the minimum deposit or purchase price should be at least $1. Now, let's have a look at its pros and cons. Crypto.com supports a huge range of cryptocurrencies to trade for and other crypto related services like payments and asset evaluation. Now, moving towards cons, its fees is relatively high. Also, the customer service is a little poor and stagnant. Next in the list we have is Gemini. Gemini stands out as a sign that prioritizes security and compliance. Hot wallet insurance is provided by the New York based exchange to ensure that user funds are protected in the event of a security compromise. Because it has comprehensive security protocols, ensures customer cash, and is SOC 2 certified. Gemini is the most secure crypto exchange. Now, let's have a look at the account prerequisites for Gemini. It only supports 75 plus cryptos for trading with the transaction fee ranging between 0.99% to 2.99%. Also, it has a minimum deposit or purchase price and it varies according to the asset invested. Now, let's have a look at its pros and cons. Gemini is available in all 50 states of United States with extremely liquid market. All the funds stored in the wallets are perfectly insured and secure. Also, its UI is pretty strong. Coming to its cons, many traders in it have high cost also as compared to other crypto trading platforms. It supports less cryptocurrencies as well. Now moving on to the next platform in the list, we have Binance. The most appealing feature of Binance is its low cost when compared to other exchanges. Beginners will appreciate the simple buy sell option, while professional traders will appreciate the in depth, basic, and advanced trading platforms. Now, let's have a look at the account prerequisites for Binance. It supports more than 500 plus cryptos for trading with a transaction fee ranging between 0.10% to 0.50%. Also, it has no minimum deposit or purchase price of $50. Now, let's have a look at its pros and cons. Binance purchase fees is non-immediate as well as instant. Also, a huge variety of coins is available on its platform. Along with this, it offers various other services. Coming to the cons, once the verification of account was hampered, it is not yet available in United States and its corporate structure is pretty opaque. Next, we have is Kraken. Kraken is one of the world's most well-known Bitcoin exchanges. In the early days of the crypto market, it established itself as the go-to site for professional investors. It has retained its image as a trustworthy and professional trading venue. It has some of the lowest fees in the cryptocurrency exchange world. It's also a top pick for experienced traders as it allows leverage and futures trading as well as enables complex order types. Now, let's have a look at the account prerequisites for Kraken. Basically, it supports more than 120 plus cryptos for trading with a small transaction fee ranging between 0.00% to 0.26%. Also, it has minimum deposit or purchase price of minimum $1. Now, let's have a look at its pros and cons. Kraken supports a large range of cryptocurrency with minimum fee and also provide the traders more market liquidity. Coming to the cons, not all states in US can accept it as options for financing your account are limited. Next in the list, we have Bitstamp. Bitstamp is one of the most cost-effective Bitcoin exchanges. It offers a simple pricing structure that bases your trading fees on your 30-day trading volume. For users with less than $10,000 on Bitstamp, the highest trading cost is merely 0.50%. Bitstamp is a fantastic alternative for fee-conscious crypto investors because its trading fees are lower than those of many of its competitors. Now, let's have a look at its prerequisites. Bitstamp offers only 45 cryptos for trading with a very small transaction fee ranging between 0.00% to 0.50%. Also coming to its minimum deposit or purchase, the price is $10. Now let's have a look at its pros and cons. In terms of trading fees, Bitstamp is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges. TradeView, a real-time trading platform, is also available. This version contains more extensive charting and trading forms. This platform offers a diverse range of coins, including many of the most popular as well as some lesser known cryptos. And the cons are, while Bitstamp offers a good selection of cryptocurrencies, there are a significant ones that aren't available. It's Bitstamp Make program, which allows you to stake crypto, allows you to earn passive money, but there are a few drawbacks as well. In 2015, hackers were successfully in launching a phishing assault against Bitstamp workers, which resulted in a security breach. Following Bitstamp, we have Bitmart. Bitmart is a global Bitcoin exchange with over 180 locations. Users can purchase, sell, and store over 1,000 different digital currencies and tokens. Investors wishing to add newly launched or obscure crypto assets to their portfolios will likely find what they're searching for on this exchange, as it offers more assets and trading pairs than its market leading counterparts. Let's have a look at the account prerequisites for Bitmart. Bitmart offers 1,000 plus cryptos for trading with a very small transaction fee that ranges between 0.045% to 0.25%. Also, coming to its minimum deposit or purchase, the price is $30 when purchasing via Bitmart. For spot trading, the price is not published yet. Now, let's have a look at its pros and cons. Bitmart supports a huge variety of cryptocurrency and provide great opportunities to earn cryptocurrency as well. Along with that, it provides an easy trade option for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Now moving on to the cons, there was a large-scale hack on this platform in 2021. Also, the customer reviews are average for this application. Moving on, next in our list is QCoin. QCoin is a third-party cryptocurrency exchange that lets you buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. The founder's goal was to provide a simple and secure platform for people all around the world to exchange a variety of digital currency. QCoin has a large number of cryptocurrencies to choose from and has minimal cost when compared to other cryptocurrency exchanges. Staking, leverage, futures, and peer-to-peer trading are all supported, which may appeal to more experienced users. Now let's have a look at the account prerequisites for QCoin. So QCoin offers only up to 28 cryptos for trading with a very small transaction fee ranging between 0.00 to 0.10%. Also coming to its minimal deposit or purchase, the price is merely $5. Now let's have a look at its pros and cons. QCoin maintains the anonymity of the user while trading, yet it offers secure platform as well. Also, it supports multiple cryptocurrencies. Coming to the cons, the trading volume of cryptocurrencies are pretty low, and also during heavy traffic, it can face some serious issues. Following QCoin in our list, we have CashApp. Now, individuals in the United States and the United Kingdom can use the CashApp to send, spend, deposit, and invest money. It's essentially a peer-to-peer payment app with an investment component through the CashApp. Users can also invest in stocks, ETFs, and Bitcoin. It enables you to purchase, sell, and store Bitcoin from your smartphone itself in a more simpler and safer manner. Now, looking at its account prerequisites, like we discussed, CashApp is only a Bitcoin exchange application, so it supports only one cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin. The transaction fee varies depending on the action. Also, the minimum deposit or purchase is just $1. Now, let's have a look at its pros and cons. CashApp provides an easy access UI and quick withdrawal from its wallets. Other than this, it also supports Bitcoin Lightning Network. It's a second layer Bitcoin technology that employs micropayment channels to increase the blockchain's ability to perform transactions more quickly. Moving on to the cons, it only supports Bitcoin. The wallet is always volunteered and it has limits on everything, be it deposits, sales, and other items. So now we have reached a last crypto trading platform in our list, which is Bishk. Bishk is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading platform that allows individuals from all over the world to trade a variety of digital currencies and tokens. Customers are not required to complete a Know Your Customer or KYC identity verification process, and this trading platform is not restricted to users in specific jurisdictions. It lets users to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with a variety of payment options such as bank wire transfers, ACH transfers, and cash deposits as well. Now let's have a look at its prerequisites. Bish currently supports 100 plus cryptocurrencies for transaction with transaction price ranging between 0.10% to 0.70%, and there is no minimal deposit or purchase required. Now moving on to its pros and cons. This Bishk application is available throughout the world and anyone can use it. It provides a high-end security and doesn't require any sort of KYC or ID verification. And it provides almost 50 payment options for crypto transactions. Moving on to the cons, the speed of the transactions are pretty low and low trading values are also possible as it doesn't consist of any minimal deposit or purchase. Also, it is not a great option for active trading. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. This was all about the top 10 crypto trading platforms for 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. If you have any questions regarding this information, please feel free to ask away in our comment section. Our experts will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you and stay safe.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.